Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today in this video, we are going to learn parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English language, and these are nouns, pronoun, verb, adjectives, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Now we will see each of the parts of speech. Noun. Naming words are called nouns. It means the name of persons, animals, places, or things are nouns. Here we will see only two types of noun. Number one is common noun and another one is proper noun. First of all, we will see what is the common noun. Common noun. Used to name people, places, or things in general. It refers to the class or types of person or thing without being specific. Example: girl, city, animal, house, food, etc. Common noun always begins with small letter. As we can see in the example given here, the park is full of flowers. Park and flower are common noun in this sentence and written with small letter. Proper noun. To understand this one, I have an activity for you. Write your name in your book and remember to begin your name with capital letter. Suppose if your name is Afif, so this is your special name. So the special name of people, places, animals and things are called proper noun. Proper noun always begin with a capital letter. Here are some examples of proper noun. Afif, name of a boy. Mumbai, name of a city. Sara, name of a girl. Eid, name of a festival. The Ganga, name of a river. Names of the months, days of the week, and special days are also proper noun, like Friday, Eid, Independence Day, etc. Always keep in mind that a common noun begins with a capital letter if it is the first word in a sentence, and a proper noun begins with a capital letter even if it comes in the middle of a sentence. So that is it for now. Hope you understand common and proper noun. We will learn next parts of speech in our next video. Jazakallah khair.